Dobot Robot is a multifunctional, high-precision robotic arm developed by Dobot, a Chinese robotics company. It is designed for education, research, light manufacturing, and automation tasks. Dobot robots are known for their compact size, affordability, and ease of programming, making them popular in STEM learning, prototyping, and industrial applications. Dobot Robot is a versatile, programmable robotic arm that combines industrial precision with educational accessibility, allowing users to explore robotics, automation, and artificial intelligence in practical, hands-on ways. These robots are designed for collaborative operation. Dobot robots can perform a wide range of tasks, including 3D printing, laser engraving, object sorting, drawing, assembly, and pick-and-place operations. Many Dobot cobots support drag-and-drop programming, graphical or block-based programming, and teach by moving the arm functionality. Dobot targets many industries such as automotive, electronics, healthcare, retail, and education. Atom humanoid robot from Dobot supports dexterous manipulation and complex walking systems. The Magician desktop arm supports multiple lens tools such as 3D printing, laser engraver, drawing, and writing, and is targeted at education and research.